Hey guys, I literally woke up not that long ago. I'm kind of tired, but it's fine. Yeah, so today my friend and I decided we're gonna go to the Michigan dunes for the day and just kind of see where the day takes us. I washed my face today already, didn't put any makeup on, just put my sunscreen. So we'll just see you guys in the car on our way there. Hey vlog! Today we decided that we're gonna go to Michigan, to the Warren Dunes specifically. She knew this, I didn't know this. Just found out that apparently if you go on top of the sand hills that they have there, people are getting there's sinkholes and people are getting sucked into them and then they die instantly. So we're not gonna go on them.
No, we're not dying today, unfortunately.
Yeah, but we're probably just gonna chill. I mean, you can't be.
This is the most whitest girl thing.
Yeah, I know.
I keep turning around to get Starbucks. I actually told you this is like her first day. I would have just been like any inexperienced. But this is about to be getting a classic color.
Yeah, I know, but no one else was available.
I don't look bad, but
from a distance they're cute.
I know that.
If you guys saw over here, you'd be like, oh my god, yes. But then you get here and you're like, oh sweetheart. You're like,
ooh, I know the vibe you were going for.
Yeah, fine. We're gonna have a good time and maybe my nails will fall off. I don't know. I'll let you know.
This Starbucks is either gonna be really good or really crappy because we're literally in the middle of nowhere.
Hi, can I please have a grande nitro cold brew with a little bit of coconut milk? I literally had to yell at her. That guy's sketching me out.
Oh, you gotta watch out with our cars now. You have to look underneath your cars because kidnappers are now hiding underneath your car with knives and will slice your Achilles. Your Achilles is cut. You can't walk, dude. I saw that on TikTok. People are nuts.
That's scary.
And then not only will they kidnap you, they'll kidnap you in your own car because they just grab your keys and push you in the car. You can't move, dude.
I'm just gonna end it here for now. Got the goods.
Definitely two types of people right here. The healthy and the unhealthy.
It's so good though. This stuff, you drink it though, I only drink half of this and then I'm bouncing off the walls for the rest of the day, so.
Really?
We literally just submerged ourselves in probably 20-degree water.
I'm dying.
It's so cold.
It's like you can't breathe.
No.
It's freezing. Your body goes numb. I don't know how fish do it.
Literally got out and we were splashing each other because we took pictures back there and we got sand all over the backs of our bodies and we were like, we need to clean it off somehow.
Yeah.
And the only way to do it was to get into the freezing cold water. And the funny thing is it's not even hot now. The sun went away.
Yeah, but it'll come back.
But I mean, I don't know. It's still nice here. There's just so many people.
What happened to the virus?
Huh?
There's so many people here.
Yeah, I know. It's literally
What's Corona?
it's literally if you were in Chicago. We're just chilling now, and we were talking about aliens. Wait, that lady. You guys see that way back there? Her. She. Tell them the story. Yeah.
So I was walking right next to her. Yeah. Take pictures, looking cute. Follow my Instagram. She'll drop it in the app.
No, I will.
She puts her towel up. She goes, "Can you please step away, dude?" I was not closing up, and I literally said to her, "I was like, you're afraid of this virus? Why are you out in public?"
Literally put her scarf up to her mouth.
She thought I was gonna kill her.
Yeah, and she was like, "Can you please step away?" The sun's not really that strong, but I'm gonna show you guys my beach essentials. So to get tan, I either use this or the Sunbond tanning oil. That's SPF 15. This is oil mixed with sunscreen and bronzer. It's not even that strong, I feel
It's at 8.
It's at 8? It doesn't feel like it's strong. I don't know. I'm just used to the Florida heat, that's why. Yeah. Sunglasses, obviously. And then my cute little Glossier bag with essentials. usually includes a hair tie, which I have in my hair at this point. Hand sanitizer.
Oh, she's going through your lip.
Yes.
The puppy rather have played with me.
Lip balm with SPF. I use the Melaleuca Sunshade Lip Balm Sunscreen in shade Vanilla Bean. Or flavor, not shade. My face sunscreen, which you guys saw in my skincare video, so I can link that down below, but this stuff is really good for your face. My face like never gets burned. And then water. Stay hydrated.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Alright guys, we're heading out for the day. We're done. We're done. We want to go home. You got tan though, right?
We got 2 pictures.
It was 92 at one point. Drenched in sweat. So, but we're done. Maybe next time I'll climb this. So many people. Next time.
Next time we're only young. Today is as young as we're gonna ever be.
That's so true. I didn't even think about that.
That's so sad.
Hello vlog. This angle is literally trash, but like it's fine. I totally forgot to vlog when I was leaving the house because I don't know, I was running late and I just forgot. Jessica and I are gonna go down to Chicago today. I'm on my way to pick her up, and yeah, so I will see you guys when Francesca's in the car.
Hi guys, it's Francesca and welcome back to my channel.
You're hitting traffic.
And we see the skyline. There was an old man just looking at us.
We are vlogging. I'm so sorry, sir. You're not up with
Up to date.
our
with YouTube.
generation's trend. I'm just trying to concentrate on the road because driving, like I was just explaining to her, like driving in Chicago, just like any other city, is scary because there's so much traffic, and I feel like there's so many people who don't know how to drive.
No.
So that's.
Wait, I mean, you go to school in Florida, and sorry to those who live in Florida.
No, Florida driver sucks.
Terrible. You don't use your signals. You're going 90.
Alright guys, we literally just left the parking garage. We parked. Oh, ground.
Oh, these are based on birthdays?
Yeah. We're in the elevator.
I'll be honest with you.
You
this
look skinny! Guys, we have to wait at max capacity.
They should not like it up.
In the fitting room.
And my parents are like, we're not waiting for your scholarship, so that's the only way. Yeah.
What do we think? Street is blocked off, so restaurants can dine outside. It's so weird because this street's never closed. It's so weird. This is what I'm wearing. Ooh, sorry.
The more important person, the real vlogger, is me.
Wait, tell them where your pants are from and your shirt.
The pants are from Urban. This is from Zara. My necklaces are from my room. This cute little belt is called a mask.
Where are your shoes from?
Fila's.
Shoes, Yeezy, jeans, a Goldie from Aritzia, top from Aritzia, bralette from Aeropostale, very old. And my hat, it's Adidas, I think.
Yeah.
So that's our outfits on this day. Alright guys, I look psycho. Fine. We're headed to Joe and the Juice right now. Get a juice.
Gotta be cleansed.
I look like an egg.
My hair.
It's like really windy. It's supposed to rain. Dude, we can still hear them. We made it to Joe and the Juice. Wait, I don't think I've ever been in this location before.
I think we went to the other one. This one's bigger.
I came here to drink juice and kick-ass. It's hilarious. Love of my life. Ooh. Okay, hold on. First of all, let's appreciate this wall. What'd you get?
I got an ice latte. latte. And then I got avocado salmon. What did you get?
Yum. I got the Joe's Identity and then tuna cotto sandwich. I really wanted tuna. I don't know why. I was just feeling it. I really need to brush my hair. It's starting to get all like streaky and stuff. But it's so weird seeing this place closed down. Like, it's weird. I don't know. Outside of Nordstrom Rack. Dang. We're headed to Stan's Donuts and Coffee because I don't know. They have vegan donuts and their donuts are fire. I don't know. I love that color of these two. Dude. Jennifer just hooked us up. Okay, tell them which location it is though.
Rush Street.
Rush Street, Stan's Donuts. Ask for Jennifer. She's an OG. And we're taking a break. And now Francesca's gonna make a TikTok. That was good. I was up this earlier and we were talking about how it smells like good, and we came to the conclusion it smells like the Rainforest Cafe. Right? That's why we like the smell and it smells familiar.
Yeah, it smells really good.
Yeah. Rainforest Cafe. That's what it smells like. Ooh. We are headed to Starbucks Reserve. Shy Strong. Wait, is this the largest Starbucks in the country or in the world? To go to this rooftop thing at Starbucks that usually takes hours to get, but we got it in 10 minutes, of course, with Alexa. Hello. And you have to be 21 years or older to get it, and I'm not. So we're about to see she is. She'll be fine. She's just worrying for literally no reason. She'll be fine. We will see you guys when we get there. Oh, Jesus, dude. We just got into a private elevator in the Starbucks Reserve, and it was gated off, and we're going to the rooftop. She's nervous.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
She'll be fine. Confidence is key.
Oh, I have confidence, but not at a city bar.
Okay, bye guys. Alright guys, we made it onto the rooftop. My hair looks like a disaster because it's windy, but she looks cute. Oh no, look! One of the thingies on
Dude,
the
I hope
gone.
you understand that it is raining.
Silver thing.
Oh yeah.
Dude, when did that happen? Alright, well, I just gotta take this one off and then it'll, look, I just gotta take this one off and it'll match. Yeah, we just got some wine and we're just gonna chill up here for a bit. They have a lot of different food here. They have like a drink menu for both coffee and for wine. So I feel like you have a wide variety of selections here. Straight vibing.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm. It's nice up here, but I'm sweating for some reason. So, yeah. We're still chilling. I'm still working on my wine. And Francesca got this really cool espresso martini, but I think we're gonna leave soon because
It looks like it's gonna thunderstorm.
it looks like it's gonna rain. So, yeah. But it's really cool up here. I recommend it. If you guys ever come to Chicago, go to the Starbucks Reserve because we just found out that it's actually the largest one in the entire world.
By a couple kilometers, but still.
Yeah. Wait, no, she said square feet, I think.
Yeah.
But still, it's the largest one in the world. So I think that's really cool that it's in Chicago, which is where we're both from. all the waiters and waitresses are actually really nice. So 10 out of 10, recommend. Here's her drink. Second drink. Rain on me. We were literally sitting.
Fake work at Starbucks, dude. How?
We were sitting at the rooftop, and all of a sudden it started drizzling, and we were like, no, we need to leave. Now it's just like it poured, but now it's just like barely drizzling. So
It's not bad. No. I feel like if it does get bad,
there's a lot of trees around us, so I feel like we'll be fine. But honestly, what would you rate the Starbucks Reserve rooftop, honestly?
view, beautiful, loved it.
Yeah.
I would go there for like.
I feel like 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I wouldn't go
Yeah.
there for the drinks though. Overpriced, and two, they're not like it's a coffee.
My
shop.
wine was only like $10 though.
Okay,
Like, it
but my
wasn't.
drinks were 16.
She got the fancy drinks, that's why.
Tried a martini for the first time. I liked it. I think. Not really. 'Cause it
Yeah.
was mixed with the espresso. I'm not a big espresso person.
Yeah, but it was still really good though. We had a good time.
Oh, dude, it's good.
Oh, it's starting to pour again. We're gonna go.
We're gonna leave.